In okay, thank you, sir. You give me in topic in dream. In first of all, what is a dream? In a dream is it called of first of all it called as of imagining things because people will think in future which work I do and which position I do in future that region people imagining in thought in your own mind and your own things is okay and in dream is very important for in every person. If you have a dream, then you your mind, subconscious mind thinks everything in very unique because if you have goal, in case of you wasted your time any other place, then you realize कि why I am wasted in my time this place. Like for example, for me, I study BTech Fire Engineering National Fire Service College. Right now, I'm third year student. But my dream ki I become a successful fire officer and working my dream company in public sector company like ONGC, KL, PPCL, HPCL, and all the public sector company. But I can't speak properly, and I not pronunciation in my pronunciation also not very well. But it's my dream कि I become a fire officer and be successful. And then in future long time in my dream कि I work as a scientist in invention. But right now in not justify in my goals. Just reason a dream is a imagining part of in virtue in visual and audible part of things and in I have not no just in clear word imagining in your in your mind you become a successful person and in your life because you have target and goal and responsibility in your family. No, family is not related to your dream and your goal, but dream if you have any dream and you you are regular practice and you contribute yourself in any percent 0.00 in minus any no any positive any percent in future you achieve your goal. And if you not achieve your goal but you find out better in your life in future. For example, and me in then in 5 year ago I just interned in 11th and 10th student. Then I dream कि I study in a good college in a different state right now and different in very unique college and unique branch and just like unique I just only one person study in a very unique branches unique college. Then I contribute in myself and right now I gain my I achieve my college life everything. And in college is a good position right now in 12 and 11 ranks in 2 year is a very good part of in my life. But in that time I not gaining my